Hello. Well, I have ordered the spices to make my own chai. It was it what I did was I got a a bunch of spices. The primary spices are a cardamom, ginger, cinnamon, and cloves, and milk and black tea. The proportions of the spices are um the spices are about 1 teaspoon each, but they are many of them come in the form of a root. You can grind it up and it can be good for tea making. Like you can grind up ginger in a coffee grinder as I am using. Ginger is a root that is good, and also cardamom is, I don't know what cardamom is, but it's probably a root, and turmeric is also a root. They are, or the turmeric is not called for in most recipes, but that would probably be good in 1 teaspoon format or whatever. But the the star anise, a spice that I currently do not have, but that was in a recipe I was reading or having read to me today. It was good, but I don't know. I also am expecting a spice called saffron today from Afghanistan. That is, it is a highly valued spice. It may be the most luxurious spice. I have never had it, and my family has never had it, or at least my mom has not had it. It is from Afghanistan, purportedly. It is supposed to remove the vision, and there may be other health features to it as well. I have not read very much about its health benefits, but I have also ordered vanilla from Madagascar. That is probably very good also, and that helps hair regrowth. I could use that, but in the future, when I finish my cheese, I will update the video and tell you guys. Okay, have a good day.